What's up everybody, Adam Novotny here, Tech Review Tuesday. Today we're looking at the Canon Nifty 50. It's the 50mm f1.8 Canon prime lens. Ooh, and it's a beast. But before we jump into this, let me roll that intro. I'm so excited to do this review because this lens works with APS-C and full frame Canon DSLR cameras, so a ton of people are going to be able to use this lens. Phew! Right now this lens is coming in at $125. That is stupid cheap for the amount of performance that you get out of this thing. For the people looking to buy a new lens, affordable lens, to upgrade from their kit lens, this is what you want to go to. So this is the upgraded Canon 50mm. How you will know is the metal backing. The old Nifty 50 had a plastic back. The new one has the metal backing. So build quality is definitely a lot better. It's faster when it comes to focusing, and it's also a lot quieter when it comes to focusing versus the old 50mm Canon lens. So focusing on this lens is powered by the STM system. It has this small focusing ring, which while in autofocus, if you move it, it still focuses. So you can pull focus on whatever you want, even in autofocus, which is a really cool feature that I really like. As you can see in this video, the focusing is very fast, very accurate. It makes for really easy shooting. I do want to recommend this lens more for taking pictures than videos. It's not stabilized, so if you're going to try to walk anywhere and take video, it's not going to be very stable. It's going to be very shaky and jittery. So this Canon 50mm f1.8 has 7 rounded aperture blades, which gives you a really cool bokeh, a rounded bokeh. So it's a little different looking bokeh than a lot of your lenses, but a lot of people think that it's a really good looking bokeh. I really like it. I'll put some examples in right now so you can take a look. You can also use this as a macro lens with a focusing distance of 1.15 feet that you can use to take a lot of really cool pictures like this. So this is really just a great do everything lens. It has a fast enough aperture that you can do sports where you can just freeze that image. Low light photography, night photography. This lens works great for portraits because it gives you that real nice narrow depth of field that just makes your subject just pop. So looks really nice. It's also nice for landscapes. It's not going to give you that crazy wide view, but it's going to give you a really nice sharp image of whatever you're taking, so it still works. It's not great for video like I said, but if you're using it on a tripod, it's definitely usable. You can still take really great video with this. You just won't have the image stabilization if you're walking around with it. But if you're going to use it on a tripod, yeah, this thing will take great video. So do I recommend this to anyone that's looking to upgrade? Yes, this is my probably #1 recommendation for anyone who wants to take better pictures with their new DSLR camera. This is the lens to get. So I hope this video helps you. I tried to put in a lot of examples of what it can do. It's a really nice, light, portable, cheap, sharp, fast lens that is extremely affordable. So if you think this lens is for you, make sure you click the link below. It'll take you straight to the new, nice, upgraded Nifty 50. If you like the video, make sure you leave me a big thumbs up. Get subscribed. I also do Tech Tuesdays every Tuesday. So check out a couple of my other Tech Tuesdays right here. I have a Sigma lens that I'll put right here that's also great value for the money. So check that out also. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.